moving to another question on that number system, which is our grade 4. In our grade 4, we are asked to evaluate 212 to the base of 3, subtract 121 to the base of 3, add 222 to the base of 3. That means we have 212 to the base of 3, subtracting it 121 the base of 3, then adding it with 222 the base of 3. Now, how do we add and how do we subtract this in number base? The way you do this is just simple. Firstly, you have to look at the order of arrangement, making use of the rule we call Bodman. When we consider Bodman, we see that we have our subtraction, then our addition. And A here represents as addition, while X here represents our subtraction. Between addition and subtraction, which of them comes first? Addition comes first. So that means we are going to add up first before we subtract. So let me pick this, which is our invisible plus, and this side, we have our plus here. Next, rearrange it. Rearranging this, we are going to have it as 212 the base of 3 plus 222 the base of 3, then minus 121 the base of 3. So let's do this. So we have it as 212 base of 3. We'll sum it up with 222 the base of 3. What will be the result? In this case, we all know that anytime you want to add, you will be careful with the base, because the base here is less in 3, and whatever result you have to have must not be more than the base. That means anything I'm going to write here should always be less to the base. That means my result shouldn't be greater than 3 or equal to 3. So how do we achieve this? Simple. Let's try this. 2 plus 2, that's 4. You know I can write 4 then, because my 4 is already greater than the base. So all I need to do, divide it by the base, which is 3, then I have my answer to be 1, the remainder of 1. So I'm going to write your remainder at this side, then the 1, take it to the next digit. Taking the 1 to the next digit, 1 plus 1 plus 2 rather, that's 3, plus 1 we have, that's 4. The same thing we had here. So we have that 1, the remainder of 1. So we write it again, 1, the remainder of 1. In this case, we have 2 plus 2, that's 4. 4 plus 1, making it 5. So 5 divided by 3. We have it as 1, the remainder of 2. Like I said at that time, the remainder is written there as 2. Then what we have here, 1 will be at the front. So that means the 1 that is left at the front will be brought down. We have it here as what? 1. So we have the summation as 121, the base of 3. So now we have gotten our 1211, the base of 3. The next thing to do is to subtract it. 121, the base of 3. Okay, we need to subtract this. In subtracting this, what do we have? We are going to have that 1 minus 1 will give us 0. Like I said, our result should be less than base 3. Then 1 minus 2, that's impossible, because 1 cannot subtract 2. So what we need to do is to borrow from these 2, and whenever we borrow 1 from the 2, it turns to 1. Now be careful at this side. Whatever you borrow will turn to the base immediately. What does that mean? We are going to have that the 1 we borrow from our 2 here will turn to the base here as 3. As you can see, so we have here as 3 plus the 1 here, making it 4. 4 minus 2 will give us 2. As simple as that. Move on to the next one. Next one, 1 minus 1, that's 0. Then we are left with 1. So our answer here is 1020, the base of 3. Let's consider our option to see whether we have the right answer. Very good. Option C stands as the right answer.